Assalamualaikum. This is Tanjian Al Nirjan, student of KOB High School. At first, I would like to thank our honorable teachers. Head teachers for giving me an opportunity to say something. Today, I feel a very big proud for me because I am a global citizen and we are all a global citizen. So, this nature is our mother. So, as a child, we need some step to make our art, our dream art. And we can give the next generation a clean art, a beautiful art, and that is the confidence of global citizen. And I can feel proud, and every Ethiopian have one thing and have one right. Our unity can make a next level art, and I can believe this because I am a Ethiopian, I am an Egyptian man, and we are all a global citizen. Thank you.
এইখানে আমরা অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছি। আজকের এই মাঠ কর্মসূচি স্কুল পরিষ্কার, এগুলো থেকে আমরা অনেক কিছু শিখতে পেরেছি। প্রকৃতিকে সুন্দর করার জন্য এটি একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ অংশগ্রহণ। ধন্যবাদ।